Hello guys, today I am going to show you how to generate the points at a three-way junctions or four-way junction. So here there is no point features, so I want to generate the automatically at a time for all and point feature. So here three-way junction is there, four-way junction also there, so there is no point feature. So I want to generate the point features at three-way junctions or four-way junctions. So I am going to generate now. So first I am removing these two, then I am going to open the catalog. See here it is the two features. So I am going to generate new, click geometric network. When you run the geometric network, it will create the junction points. So we'll see. Now click, select all, then next click next, click next, click next, finish. So once it is finished, this one we are going to add in ArcMap. See here I am going to adding here. So you can click only geometry network, it will add automatically. See here before there is no the junction points. See now it is generated junction points with end points wherever the points is required, splitted or whatever it is generated. So here also there, here wherever the split is there, it is generated points also. So we can use these points as a point feature. You can give the different names also. Okay guys, like this we can generate the point features. Okay, thank you so much.